Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Beauty Express, and today I'm going to share with you a conditioner which I personally prefer preparing when I have a lot of free time. Now I use conditioners from market when I'm really in a hurry and kind of getting too lazy to prepare something or DIY or something, then I use market conditioners. Otherwise, when I'm free and I have a lot of time, I just love to groom myself by preparing my own cosmetics, my own conditioners and shampoos and face mask. I've already shared a lot of videos related to this, and I'll be linking that into the description box. Do check out. And today I'm going to prepare a conditioner using two powders that are really very beneficial for your hair. First one is hibiscus powder. It's kind of a little brownish and reddish color, just like cocoa powder, but it has amazing benefits on hair, and it is like so wonderful. It smells lovely. And the second one is Amla Powder, which is Indian gooseberry powder. It is also brown, just like mud, but it smells kind of very citrusy and very nice. I just love it. And I'll use these two powders together. Now Okay friends, so let's start with the video. Now I have taken a whole tablespoon of this powder, hibiscus powder, sorry, like a whole tablespoon. And then I'm going to add Indian gooseberry powder, a little bit. Okay friends, so now I'll be adding hot water into it. As you can see, it's bubbling up slowly. The powders are getting mixed into the water and it's reacting. Soon as you add it into it, it forms bubbles. Now just mix all the powders together. It's kind of a messy procedure, but it's okay to make some mess. See, it's so red in color and it looks so lovely. I've mixed both the powders. You can also mix them equally as you want. Amla has heavy conditioning properties, friends. So if you want to add more amla powder, you're free to add it. The mixture is so lovely. Beautiful red colored conditioner. Friends, I'm back after 20 minutes and the powder is nicely mixed into the water. Now I don't really like to strain it, I use it as it is, but if you people feel that there are some particles which get stuck into the hair while washing, then you can strain it, but I personally don't really like straining. I directly use powders on my hair and it's quite easy to wash them off unless and until there are a lot of hard particles. Now the powder from where I purchase is very... Now for you, I'll be straining it and I'll be putting it into this container. This is a spray bottle. I use spray bottle and I spray it all along my scalp and my hair, and I leave this conditioner for nice 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes, as long as you want. I massage it nicely on my scalp. So I have strained this mixture and transferred it into this bottle. Now what you have to do is just spray it into your hair, your scalp, massage it nicely, leave it for 3 minutes and then wash it off. It works wonderfully. I hope I've covered everything. Still, if you have any doubts regarding this DIY, you can just comment me below, and do check my hair care and skincare DIYs in the below playlist. I will do mention it, so do check that too, and meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.